Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggless croissants without an oven. First, combine dry ingredients like flour, sugar, yeast, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Next, add warm milk and a touch of oil, mixing until a soft dough comes together. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it is doubled in size. Now, let's create those signature flaky layers. Roll your risen dough into a large rectangle. Spread softened butter over 2/3 of the surface. Fold the unbuttered section over the middle, then fold the remaining buttered part over the top. This completes one turn. Chill the dough for 30 minutes, then repeat this rolling, buttering, and folding process 2 more times, chilling between each turn. After the final lamination, roll your dough into a thin, large rectangle. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, slice the dough into long triangles, roughly 4 inches wide at the base. Make a small slit at the center of the base of each triangle. Starting from the base, gently roll each triangle towards the tip. Finally, curve the ends slightly to achieve that familiar crescent shape of a croissant. Once shaped, place your croissants on a parchment-lined pan, cover them, and let them rise for another 30 minutes. To cook without an oven, heat a large, non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Carefully place a few croissants in the pan, ensuring they don't touch. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Serve them warm and enjoy your delicious, homemade eggless croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.